Today I wanted to show you my PC speaker. I'm running a Bookbomb PUPS 32 on a 64-bit machine, and my primary PC nowadays is a 17-year-old dual-core machine down here, and I have it hooked up to a Tivoli radio, which is a very high quality, has a very high quality sound, and on and off button here. And although it's mainly a FM AM here, it does have a auxiliary input in the back, and that auxiliary input in the back here is connected to the back of the PC here on a line out. So when that happens, it overrides the FM. So it's actually connected to the sound output of the PC. Only thing I don't really like about this is that on this, I noticed when I turn it off, it's pretty loud with a loud sudden noise. And when I turn it on, it's very quiet. But so that's the only thing I notice, and that's not optimal. But before this, I used to have a sound bar that I used as a PC speaker, but this is much better. So here's the YouTube. We'll go ahead and just play a YouTube here. And
radio probably works for any of the radios in the Tivoli original Tivoli series, Model 1, 2, 3, all subwoofer, etc. I've had this particular radio since.
So that's a, we'll just deaden the sound, and we'll go to a dead beef now. So I know the transmission of the sound is not going to be optimal, but believe me, it sounds very nice.